Hey guys, this is Cesar again from 365 Laptop Repair. Today we'll be showing you guys how to replace a DC jack on a Samsung NP300E5C. To start this repair, we're going to start by removing the motherboard. Okay, so first we're going to start off by removing the battery. Like always, you don't want to short anything out. Using my Phillips screwdriver to remove this bottom cover. One screw only. Usually just like this, comes off easy. You don't want to break anything because everything on this unit is very expensive. And normally a hard drive goes in here, but the customer brought it in with no hard drive. Usually after taking out 4 screws from here, take out the hard drive caddy, the hard drive is right here, screwed in these 4 holes right here. Can I put this to the side? Usually the hard drive goes plugged in to this connector right here, so it can go through the motherboard. That's how it gets detected. And now I'm going to remove all the screws to be able to remove the cover. And by the way, this is the RAM right here. I'm sure you guys know. Okay, I'm using my drill. Okay. Be careful when using a drill, guys. Right now it's just some experience. I know how to do it. And mess up the screws and you won't be able to remove the screws if they're all messed up. Okay, a little bit more. Tell me more I'm missing. I'm going to use my small Phillips screwdriver for these smaller screws. Okay, this is screw for the CD drive. Let's remove it. Now, slightly just remove the CD drive. It just comes off right after removing that screw. Let's see, I think we're done here with the screws. Let me make sure. Okay, now you'll be using the prying tool. This one just comes off. You start from wherever you want. Easily just pry it off. There you go, guys. If you feel too much pressure, don't keep on going because you could break this. Like I said, it's really expensive. Okay. I'll put it down here so you guys can see this. Slightly just do it all really gentle. This clips all over the place, so be really careful, guys. There you go. Almost there, guys. Okay. You're gonna have to come towards this side because that's where you have all the parts. You don't want to break anything. Make sure you took all the screws. As you can see, I messed up right here. I'm about to take out the last screw. There you go. Should come off really easily. Okay, so we're gonna start removing all the wire harnesses. Make this repair simple. Be careful with the Wi-Fi cables. These things sometimes could break easily. Move these wires. Okay, move this clip to the side so you could just. This cable should come off really easily like that, guys. Pull the cable for the fan. Here's the cable for the LCD screen. Slightly remove it. There you go. Here's the one for the keyboard. Just put that clip up. Just move it out the way. Take this out. Oh, this is the heatsink, guys. Start removing that right now. Move these 4 screws, and there's 2 screws on the fan. There's one right there, and one on this side, down here. Now this should come off easily. There you go, just set it to the side. Here's our CPU. Just squish this to the side. There you go. Be careful where you lay this. It's all those pins, they could easily bend. Now, remove 4 screws for the motherboard, which are here, 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 and here. By the way, guys, to remove the RAM, just move this little latches or locks to the side. It just comes off really easily. There you go. Now the motherboard should come off easily. Next we have one cable missing. There you go, guys. That's how you move a motherboard. Hey guys, so this is our soldering area, our soldering station. I'm about to replace the DC jack on this. Okay, so we start off by getting our heat air gun. We start off by melting all these little traces here so we could pull out the DC jack. You gotta be careful when doing this because you can't burn the traces. Once you start seeing it like it's melting, pull it little by little, like I am right now. There you go, it's coming off, guys. There you go. Now, you gotta remove the remainings of the solder here. The way I like doing it, just like this, heating it up. Slamming the board. Okay, almost done. Always try to maintain the heat there so you could just easily melt the solder down. I think we're done here. Actually, we got 2 more. This last 2 right here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. You see how all the holes are pretty clean? You can easily put the jack in there. I'm going to show you guys the old DC jack. You guys see how broken it is? So we're going to put the new DC jack back in there. Once it's clean, it's easier to just place it in there. Okay. Sorry about that. It's kind of hot. It's still hot in here, so there you go. Okay. We'll get our soldering iron. This is our solder right here that we use. I like going from the top, that way it just stays put. Okay. Solder all the traces that connect to the diesel jack. Okay, now we can start soldering the other side. Okay, that's how you replace the diesel jack, guys. Thank you all. Thanks, guys.